All right. Check. Check. Okay, I think we're live. Yes. Okay, we're live. Hi guys, welcome to today's Plumbers of Data Science podcast. Um, Today I have a topic that is driving me a bit crazy. Is what's annoying about the data science community, about the data science topic, about how people are showing data science in the media or on social media. And then we're going to talk quickly about the project, the writing from Nifi into Kafka, and then also I was wondering who has watched the video from today. I was interviewing or having a talk today with two guys from Zalando, Mikael and Max, and I thought this was a interesting topic or an interesting talk. They have showed a lot of technical stuff, which I quite liked, and I want to hear your opinion on this. Yeah. Nick says hi. Watching it right now. Thanks. I really liked it. Just if you have already watched it, write in the comments what you liked about it or what you think could be better. Okay, so one thing, I want to keep this stream a bit shorter because it's the second stream for today, and basically I have been working the whole day. What is annoying? What annoys me about data science or the data science community? Just let me quickly adjust something here. Yeah. I think that annoys me is people are trying to get people into the data scientist path at all cost, and the data scientist path is always shown as this glorious path and everything is easy, and people get deceived how much work it is because they think everything is displayed so simple and that you're the hero. And I had one post this week that is a prime example for this stuff, and it's this here. Let me just show this to you. It's this thing. So the point here, and this stuff gets shared, and this stuff gets a lot of likes and a lot of comments and so on. Everything, yeah, woohoo, that's great. But it's not. And so here's my problem with this. Let me just adjust the camera. Okay, here's my problem with this. This thing says machine learning. You have an input, like something from a car, and then you do feature extraction. So you basically you collect a lot of stuff from the car, a lot of data. Then you extract the data. You are working the data. You're modeling the data, you're making pre-processing, and then you're putting it into the algorithm, and then something comes out like car, not car. That's the output. Okay, and then what they say, okay, now the only thing you need to do when you do deep learning is you get the input data, do everything in the deep learning algorithm, and then out comes car, not a car, which it's absolutely not the case. Furkan says, could you please add Turkish subtitles to your videos? No, I don't speak Turkish. How should I do this? I mean, so yeah, this is driving me crazy that then people see this stuff. People see, okay, deep learning, I can do such cool stuff, and it's so easy. You just take all the data, you feed it into the algorithm, and then start, and you can do something cool with it, which is not the case. This is not true. This is not going to work, but it draws people into the data scientist stuff. Once you start trying stuff, and once you're, it's a deception that tells you it's easy to start with data science. It's easy to do machine learning, deep learning, which is not. And I haven't found something like this for data engineering. I would love to have something that very, very simply shows, and maybe you guys have a idea what this could be, or you have seen something like this, something that makes it that is true, not false like this, of course, but that makes it let's call it that shows that it's an interesting field, that makes it sexy, like data scientist. I don't know. Yeah, it's a Nick says it's a stupid marketing simplification, but it's meant for people to get drawn into this. And yeah, I talked to a friend yesterday, and he said he recently was at a conference, and I'm guessing this is also somebody else said this than the guy in the conference. But this guy said, if it's machine learning, it's done in Python, and if it's AI, it's done in PowerPoint. And I found this very interesting and funny and so true. Yeah, and this is just one case where this draws people into this profession, and I haven't found something that draws people into the data engineering realm. I don't know if you can do it with NoSQL databases or whatever. I have no idea. I would love to have something like this. So if you can share anything that makes sense, and it's a simplification, or it's something that draws people into data engineering, I would love to share this on LinkedIn and so on. So if you find something, that would be awesome. Yeah, one thing that that I haven't looked at is the guys today said there's a meetup for data engineering here in Germany, in Berlin. I haven't checked it. Maybe we can look at this together. Let's just quickly look at it. Where is it? Because I really it's a Zalando tech event. Let's come on here. Whoop. Data engineering meetup number 6. Okay, they're already at number 6. From Zalando Tech Events Berlin, June 20th, Zalando HQ. Interesting. They begin at 6 p.m. Okay. And then break 19:21. So 9:45 ends. Okay, a lot of topics, and I guess it's a local meeting. I want to check. Maybe I'm going to join this. Not June 20th, but at some point, if they do it a bit more, because I want to get a bit into the community. And Berlin is I think it's a relatively quick travel from me to Berlin by train. How fast? How long does it take you? That takes me by train from Würzburg to, doesn't matter, to Berlin. Friday. Yeah, come on. Okay, that takes 4 hours. No, 3. Yeah, that takes 4 hours by train. Yeah, interesting. So these guys, they're doing a lot of stuff regarding data engineering. They also have a tech blog. Where is it? Tech blog. Where you can find not only data engineering stuff, you can also find data scientist things, main categories, professions, data, other. I have seen this before. Yeah. Product playbook, microservices, front end microservices. Interesting. Yeah, so this is train deep learning models on AWS. This is something that might be interesting, guys, to look into. Yeah. Yeah, what have I seen again? Or also, yeah, I found interesting today at the talk when they said that they're going to, they see the future that their platform is not going to be a data or a big data platform that is like the central piece of platform, or the central hub where data gets extracted from other systems into this. They are trying to, or they are looking into a federated data hub where data is basically can access or is getting processed by this central tools, and they have access, because everything is in the cloud. They have access to the systems that are already there, and that are, so data doesn't need to be transmitted into the central data store. It can, like satellites, be outside and then processed by these central tools, which I quite liked. That was I think an interesting way, and I think they are going to, this route makes sense. Yeah, guys, regarding the topic from last time, I've been trying a bit today regarding Nifi. I have again tried, so what we try to get Twitter data, which works because it queues data, and then try to write it into Kafka. Kafka is running, but I cannot write it into Kafka. I don't know why. It just doesn't work. The thing is, when I have been looking a bit more into the actual error code, and it says UTC error, which is quite strange, and it makes me believe that this might be an error belonging to something with time, offsets, or something like this. I don't know. Very strange thing. Yeah. Okay. I guess that's already it. I had I just want to quickly talk to you, show you this thing with data science, which drives me crazy. And I was, Stack Overflow. Oops. Did I close it? No. I was looking for Nifi producer or Kafka producer. You can look it like this. UTC error. There were some stuff that I have found, but nothing really fitted. They said some guy said it was something like timeouts. The thing is, this guy has some problem with consume, and this doesn't fit. And this thing here, what was that? Come on. This was using publish Kafka. This is some different problem here. Can't send Kafka to Nifi from Kafka to Kafka from Nifi. It didn't really describe what kind of problem. Is it a timeout error? Yeah, this is something different again. So I'm guessing the way to go here is to go Nick's route and just for now ditch Nifi for stream sets. I guess I have no idea. Or people said look into how was that called? Docker Compose or something. Where was that? Here in the Bitnami, using Docker Compose and write something like this and try it again or something. I don't know. This thing here, did we do this? Okay, now this is for the compose, I guess. Yeah. This would be my next guess to try this with Docker Compose, shut down all the containers and try it again with Docker Compose. But I have to admit I'm not in the mood for this today. Yeah, it's a super strange error. Yeah, Nick says could be a problem with Docker containerization theoretically. I'm guessing it's something like this. Yeah. Okay, you don't see what I'm sorry, guys. So I'm guessing here is to go to use Docker Compose and write a compose and then add the configuration stuff in there and try it again. I don't know. Security. Yeah, I'm guessing something isn't rightly configured here. And yeah. I'm going to take some time and look into this. Yeah. Yeah. This is definitely something either with Docker or hi Gonzalo. From Peru. Nice. Yeah, so I'm going to look into this over the weekend. In the next few days, maybe I get it running, or if I get absolutely annoyed, I'm going to look into stream sets. I'm guessing it's something. It's something with the configuration, and I think Docker Compose makes it easier to configure this stuff. Yeah. Guy say bridge mode might be the reason. What did we do here? We created a network here. What did you mean? What do you mean with bridge mode? Here, this one here. AppTier driver bridge. Have you configured this here? No. Zookeeper. Network create. Okay, yeah, we said bridge here. What can we do here else? What's the alternative here to do? So then, because then we quickly delete this stuff and try again. Host mode, okay. But in okay. The thing is, when I'm guessing this I can do Docker network. I'm guessing delete or something. We can quickly look into this. I'm hoping that the containers don't all go away here. Where's the bash? Docker network. Connect, create, disconnect, inspect, prune, remove. Let's try remove here. How is that called? Docker network rm app -tier. Active endpoints. Then I'm guessing I need to disconnect. Okay, it's the same stuff because now the containers are running. Problem is I haven't saved what I haven't saved the commands that we okay. I'm going to figure this out some other time, I guess, because now I need to stop the containers and then I need to start the containers again, and I can't really remember how to. What did we do last time? Let me just bring up a quick text edit. Oh no, not GIMP. New document. Let me just quickly copy this here. And what did we also do is there was oh no, there was just version. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. How do I do this? Here. Okay. Consumer list create. There we have created topics, listed topics. This is the thing where we started it with. Then we start Kafka with this one. And then with what did we which one did we use to start the Kafka server, Zookeeper. I'm guessing we use this one here. Oh no. And did we do something again? No, that's it. No, what did I copy? Zeppelin. Zookeeper server. This here. Okay. We first started Zookeeper. Then we started Kafka. What did we else do? This is something older. Kafka server. Okay, no, these two are running. Okay. How was that Docker? Docker stop container or something? Docker stop container. This one? Paste. Boom. No such container. What? Why isn't this working? Why doesn't this show the okay. Strange. So it worked, but he's getting me an error. Strange. So this one. I have a guys. I know why. Because the Nifi. Let's restart. Let's restart the Zookeeper. The Kafka. The problem here is that the Nifi isn't on the same network. 100%. What was it called? Ugh. Docker PS. Okay, it's running again. The thing is, I need to shut. I need to. How do I do this? Now I thought I didn't do this today. How can I add this network AppTier to my Nifi container? I can stop this container, but can I start the container with network? Can I do just Docker stop container? This thing here. Copy. Boom. Paste. This thing. and then just docker start Nifi. Can I do here network? No. God damn it. How to start Docker container with network. Yeah, but if I'm doing a Docker run, then the problem here is that it says that the containers should be still be running. Because I started it. Where did I start this thing? Run Nifi. Yeah, that doesn't help me, Nick, because it's the wrong PC when you post it in the chat. So the thing is, can I do Docker run Nifi? I'm guessing I can't do this. Oh man. AppTier bridge host. None. Let me just check this. Just check this. What Nick has written here and on this computer. Docker container networks. Section provides an overview. When you install Docker, it creates 3 networks automatically. Bridge, none, host. Yes. Yes. Running Docker for Mac or Docker for Windows. Docker network ls. Docker attach. How is that? You can attach to running container to see how the network looks from inside the container. No, I don't want to look. I want to get a container into the bridge. Oh man. Oh, our little one is she crying again? Yeah. The problem is when I kill the container is then, oh man, is there no configuration still there? I'm guessing the configuration isn't there. So when I kill the Docker for Nifi, then it should also kill all the configs that we made, right? Doesn't that Isn't that the problem? I mean, I can try this. Yes, everything is gone, right? Yeah. The thing is, what I'm guessing here is how I'm seeing this. I have created a network. I have created this AppTier network, and I have then, which is basically a bridge, and I have then added the containers to use this network. So the Kafka and Zookeeper are using this bridge network, and the Nifi, this then I'm guessing is running on the host. And so the Nifi doesn't see the bridge. This is my... Attach running container to network. Docker network connect. Docker network connect. So Docker start Nifi. Let's start it again. Okay. Docker network connect. Then the network app minus, how is that called? AppTier. And then the container, this thing here. Okay. Guessing this could be it. Let's just... now I'm curious if I can still use localhost 8080. Yeah. Now I'm guessing I... Can I do knife? No. No. Or I can... Or it still needs... Why is it searching? I don't want to search. No. Yeah, so I know how to add a container to something. I did this. I added it to the... But now the problem is that doesn't work anymore. And so I need to... How can I now connect to the container? Because now it's in the other network. This is my guess. And oh, fuck again. Now if I Zookeeper. No, that doesn't work anymore. Oh man, any ideas, guys? I have the feeling that it's just this. We're already there, almost there. Yeah, because when my guess is that when I'm using here, when I'm switching this back, let me just switch this back. Don't want to copy this. Paste. When I connect this to host, what? Why you don't stop Kafka? The problem is I mean Kafka doesn't that I'm guessing this is useless because Kafka is already in the bridge in the AppTier network and Zookeeper is as well in the AppTier network. That's why I was able to start Kafka. But Nifi was in the other one. Now with this Docker Network Connect AppTier here, I basically connected the Kafka, the Nifi to the AppTier, but my problem is now I cannot do localhost 8080 because it's no longer in the host network. That's my problem here. And I'm not 100% sure how to solve this right now. Because I cannot disconnect it. Oh. Disconnect. Okay. Let's try it. Great. Oh, this is no longer. God damn it. I have it here. Nick. But YouTube is. I don't want to watch with you a YouTube video. Just quickly, just scroll over it. Yeah, here. This is interesting. How do I get the IP address from the... Go away. Docker inspect Nifi. And there it should say the IP address. Here it is. This thing we copy. And now let's go back to the browser. Where is it gone? There it is. Let's go back to the browser. That's the wrong one, but it doesn't matter. Uh, 8080 and fingers crossed. doesn't work. It doesn't work. So my guess was that when I use this, let me just check this thing again. As IP address, as network. What does it do here? Because yeah, can I ping it? Can I ping this one? That would be another thing that we can try. Oh man. Oh, no, just ping. Ping, paste, boom, boom. Not reachable. Oh man, I should have saved the configuration somehow in the from the container. I'm guessing this would have been possible, but now where was it? Docker inspect Nifi. Here's the endpoint gateway IP address. Let's inspect Kafka. Let's inspect Kafka server. Yeah, that's the same one. And Zookeeper. Oh, how was it called? Zookeeper server. 1802. 1702. Okay, but 16, that's okay. Need to get back to the chat. Yeah, it's a. I didn't define a port. Where didn't I define a port? Ports. Oh man, I don't know how this needs to look. Yeah, Nick, but the as I'm reading this is that the MAC address is 255.255.0.0 with 16, because otherwise it would be something like 32 or something. And wasn't that? Oh man. Subnet /16. That was. Where is it? Subnet mask 16. Oh no. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. It is. Here it is. Here it is. /16. I'm guessing it's /16 255 255.0.0. So it that would not be an issue. Oh, although it would be. It would be. It would be. Why is this on different networks? Oh, it's getting annoying. Yeah, it's different subnets. Definitely. definitely different subnets. IP address from the, let me just check this again. So the Nifi one has 17, the zookeeper. That one has 18, and the Kafka is also 18. Okay, that's an issue, but I can't be bothered. It's already 11:30. I didn't want to get into this today. So it's definitely a issue with the networking. It's a networking issue, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another Nifi container. Let's I'm going to kill everything. I'm going to create everything new with Docker Compose. Then I'm going to start it, and next time I'm going to show you how this works. It's a layer 1 issue. It's a network issue. No, not layer 1, layer 3. It's an IP issue. Yeah. So this is a point to begin with, and this is actually something that you can learn from. So the first thing, when stuff doesn't go really your way, and you get errors where you say, this can't be, why is this a problem? Start, as I've shown you in one of the last streams, start with the network layer stuff and go over the layers. So first one is the physical layer. We don't have a physical layer here. This is a Docker container. Then the next one is something like media access control, MAC address, hardware. We don't have hardware here. Forget hardware. The next one is the IP layer, the network layer. And that's it. Then you look at it and you find out something like this, that the networks don't mix up, because I started the Nifi before I was going into the whole thing with Kafka and with Zookeeper. And for the Zookeepers, we had the bridged, and Nifi I just started in host mode, and that's the problem. That doesn't work. And now I try to attach Nifi to the bridge network, and it gets a address out of in a different network, and so it's a few simple steps, and you can find out where the problem is. And here's definitely the problem. So now I'm now where to go and what to fix. Okay, guys, I'm going to make a quick cut of this last clip and post it online. And post it as a separate video so people know which steps to go. Okay. Next, just posting something more. I think it would be better to create a script, start, stop all these containers in one particular subnetwork. That would also be a thing. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't worked with this Docker how is that called? Docker Compose? Where's my filter open page here? This one. Come on. Where was it? I haven't worked really with this. Oh man, where is it? Here with Docker Compose. I haven't really worked with this. I'm thinking this is something that also can help here. Because with that I can launch the containers and so on. Yeah. Bridge is the default. Let's quickly try one last thing. Because this might be the issue with the Nifi. Because I was trying to network connect the container to bridge. Endpoint with name Nifi already exists in the network bridge. What? Bridge. What? Now I'm confused. Inspect Nifi. This thing says here bridge. It's in bridge. And this is why it's 17.0. But if bridge is the standard, why can I get to it? Oh, where was it? Here, localhost 8080. Why am I? I'm sorry, you guys are not seeing this stuff again. Now it's working. So it's the wrong network. That's for sure. It's the wrong network. Now, can I change this thing here now into the other network? Where's the command line again? Docker network connect. I've done nothing. We can roll back the recording of this. Now it should be connected to AppTier. So inspect Nifi. Network AppTier 1804. Okay, now it's on the thing. Now I'm guessing. Okay, I'm still here. I don't know why it's working. Doesn't matter. Now let's try to push something to Kafka. Oh, not everything. Only this one. Come on. Don't be shy. No, it's not running. No, this is an old error. So now it says, okay, those two. Now, come on, let me zoom in here. So now it says into publish Kafka. I don't know if he has written something. I don't get an error. This one is an old one. Let's consume it. Let's make a stop here. Stop this thing. Let's try to consume it. Boom. Last time 20, queued 0. So I'm guessing this, it still doesn't work, but I'm not getting errors anymore. That's a win. The only thing I am concerned here is that, let me just Let me start this one, and let me start this one. Come on. There should be something to consume, because here goes. Now something should be queued here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know why it's right. It's running so slow. Come on. You can do it. Why doesn't it run? Why doesn't it run? One problem could be is that now it's no longer in the bridge. Okay, it queued. Here's something. Yeah. Already there was something. Now it says in 3, but it doesn't say out here. So it read something, but it didn't publish it. That's how it looks from this side here. Okay, no. Here's something. Queued 1. Let's push this. Let's push this. Boom. Okay. What was that? Nifi bash. cd/tmp ls-l. Is today the 6th? Yeah, it's the 6th. No, this is, but it's, is this the right? Oh, yeah, here it is. The time is off, I'm guessing. Or is it? Yeah. This one is new. This one is new. Let's just... let's stop everything here. Now it's again one more. Oh no, let's go out. I want to stop everything. That was dumb. Let's look at something like, how did I do this last time? Head 2638 2638. Can we find a timestamp here? I thought maybe we can find a timestamp that is from now, just to be sure. June 6th, 11:36, 2019. No, that's okay. That's right. Here, this is the... Can this be possible? Created at June 6th. I'm guessing this is it, guys. I'm guessing this is it. It works. Oh, okay. Now messed it up. I want to show you in more detail, but so I would say this is it. I would say this works. This thing works. We made it. Let's just delete this fucking thing here. Queue not empty. Who cares? Can I empty the queue? Empty queue. Yes. Okay. Delete. Delete. Zip zip. Zip zip. Just for clarification that we can see that something is happening. We made it, guys. We made it. So let's just run everything. Nifi flow. Run this thing. Everything is running. There was already something queued. Here I'm just looking at the numbers here. Out 5, in 6. Let's wait a second. This is out 7 because it has been run before. So here's in 4, out 5. Okay. Let's wait a few seconds. What? Did something happen? Haven't seen something. Out 4. Let's stop this one. And let's stop this one. Let's see if something comes up in the queue. I don't know why this thing takes so long. It's strange. Something, I'm guessing something I have the interval set very slow. I'm guessing 30 seconds or something. Okay, there's something happened. Now something is in the queue. Here, nothing happens. Then let's publish it. Let's publish it. No, there are some tweets. There are some tweets here. So there is something. Nothing happens here. The put file is off. So I can just now let's quickly look at the ls here. Okay. So let's start the Kafka writer. Start this thing. Now queue. Now it should go and write these two things. Come on. Boom. It's gone. Here's the new one. It consumed it already, queued it here. Let's stop this. Let's stop this. And now let's write the file. Put it. Come on. Boom, it's gone. And now let's look at the bash again. Here are the new ones. It's 1140 here, 1140. No, not 21. Yeah, it's the time is off here. Time is definitely off. But these are the new ones that arrived new here. Here are the one on top here was the 6B, and now it's this one here. So let's look at this. Head 6806 06. There's it. There is it. I'm guessing really. I'm guessing there are no. I would have to look what types of tweets I'm reading right now, but this thing is working. I'm 100% sure so the pipeline is working, and we just need to we can quickly look into what exactly are the properties what we write. Data science, hashtag data science we're writing. Maybe we should try something, but data science should be fitting. Okay, guys, what do you say? Was that cool or was that cool? I'm very, very happy. I'm super happy. Now I just need to tweak a bit the scheduling, and then we can go to the next thing. Great, huh? Nick, Javier, huh? We did it. Okay, I thought this would be a bigger problem. So again, it was just a network problem. It's awesome. Okay, guys. Luckily, I did a shorter stream today. But this is fun. You can say what you want. It's a struggle, but this is fun. This stuff is fun. This stuff is fun. This stuff is fun. So the next step would be for me to tweak this, that we're running 30 seconds every second for 30 seconds tweets. And then the next thing is that we make a quick Spark Docker and write a quick Spark job. Or we could set up Zeppelin for that. I'm guessing we could set up Zeppelin to consume from Kafka and visualize it. Visualize the amount of messages or something. I'm going to figure something out, and then we when we know what we see, we can go into we can set up a Spark container and look at and copy and create some Spark code. This would also be fun. But with Zeppelin, the upside would be that we have a visualization in there. I'm going to think about this. Awesome stream, guys. 3 people have made it since made it until here, so you really had some. In Germany we call it Sitzfleisch. You made it through this struggle, and yeah, thank you for staying until here. It's a great feeling to achieve something and to struggle through something. Really, that's awesome. See you guys. Have a great weekend. If I get to this sooner, and if I have time and make progress, I'm going to get in touch. Otherwise, we're going to look into it on Monday. Nick and whoever is still here, now we're only 2. It was really fun. Thanks for helping out so much. And yeah, bye-bye. Let's stop the stream and go to sleep.